Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Sariki, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the wireless headset registration card in an HME Wireless IQ base station, one of these guys. Usually what happens is that after a while the wireless card on these things go bad and you can no longer register headsets or belt packs and you need to replace it. So I'm going to show you how to replace it and also show you the link where you can get the replacement wireless card. Alright, let's get started. So in order to get to the card, you have to open this, and here's how we open it. So you press, normally it's in this position, you press this and this and open it. That's how you take it apart. So the wireless card is this guy, which is held by 4 screws. You need to pull this up and replace it. The connector that connects the wireless card to the motherboard is right here. So that's where you have to apply parallel pressure from both edges. Let me remove this thing so you can see better. There. So you apply parallel pressure from both edges. You don't apply pressure from one edge because you will break the connector. You don't apply pressure from this end because it will break this connector for sure. So you have to unscrew these screws, unscrew these two, and then apply pressure from these two edges only. These two edges only, not this side. Okay? And also notice how the cables are turned around and plugged in. That's exactly you need to plug in the new card. This is the new card, the new wireless card, which I just opened. So that's what we want to put here instead of this guy. All right, let's open these. You need a Phillips screwdriver. So there is only 4 screws. Okay, now you see, don't apply pressure from this edge, only from this edge. You apply pressure like this, like that. Unplug these and leave them just like they are, because the new board will come here. This has to twist this way, this has to twist that way. So leave these the way they are. Take your new board, this is your new board, this is the plug that goes into here. So you make sure this plug is aligned and these screw holes match these holes, and then you apply pressure in the center down. Okay, so let's align those. As you can see, it's all aligned. Let's look from an angle. It's all good and aligned. Let's look at from this angle. Let me adjust that camera. So there you go. You just put it like that, aligned, everything. Press at the center, like that. Press at the center. Okay, so now you see how nicely all 4 screws are aligned. Now what you need to do is you need to put back the screws. You put back the screws the same way you took them out. You don't put the screwdriver clutch setting more than 3 or 4, because you will strip the screws and damage it. When you are applying pressure to close this, make sure that your screwdriver tip doesn't fall out of the screw and damage the board, because sometimes what happens is this slips out of here and it damages the components here. So be very, very careful and apply appropriate pressure, not excessive pressure. Now this is the part that I'm gonna have to zoom in. Let's see how much I can zoom in with this camera, because you have to see how to plug that in. 1 second. So as you can see, these 2 little connectors, you have to plug the connectors right to this end to this, and you have to be very, very careful to make sure you don't damage the connector. Make sure they are centered when you press them. Like that. It snaps in. It snaps in place. And the second one, see how both snapped in place, nice and neatly. That's how you plug these in, these two cables. And notice how it goes underneath, and this one goes underneath like that. That's how it needs to come. Now this should work fine. It should start registering. Let me plug it in. There it is. Now let me clear it. To clear it, you press reset and clear together. You let go of that, and that C means clear. That headset, that board is now cleared. And in order to register a new headset, you press this once, and then you go take the headset in the registration mode, and you will be good to go. And that's it. That's how simple it was. And this thing is ready to go. I hope this was educational. And if you have any questions, please comment. I'll be happy to answer. And please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.